And the first thing you'll notice is you're not staring at a drill, plumbing, skill saw, air nailer, vinyl floor, jack, dusty flies. You're staring at beautiful nature. And why? Well, because today is a day that we take a day off from the TinyWanderer. Come along, this is going to be a fun adventure. We're going in the hole, hang on! Okay. That's okay, we're in the hole. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, that was a lot quicker than I thought it was. We are cooking up some bird's eye. Looks pretty good so far. Should be a few minutes before this is really good. We can't go with chains. We gotta just drag her up the hill. We'll worry about chains later. We call this a CTC, which stands for cargo trailer conversion, or cargo trailer camper, or cargo trailer crap, whatever you want to call it. It has all kinds of names. In case you're wondering what 4-week-old poop looks like after it's been chemically treated, and there's your answer. A month to 17 children, I would thought you might have had like 30 of those cards.
Oh, this is just for 2 days?
Hello everyone and welcome to Tiny Wonderland. My name is Jay, I'm your host. Today we're doing a 5-mile round trip to the Double Arch Alcove on the Taylor Creek Trailhead in Zion National Park. Now this isn't the Zion that everyone typically goes with all the, you know, the giant canyons and everything, although there is some really beautiful canyons here. So we're gonna get started. I'll go, you know, I'll definitely, things I want to remind you guys of: preserve the wilderness, travel lightly, and pack it out. The only thing you should leave behind are footprints, and the only thing you should take with you are pictures and memories. So I'll take you guys along, and hopefully it's going to be a good day. It's a great day to get outside and not have to stare at the TinyWanderer. We are packed up and ready to head to Florida, so things are going good, and I am glad to be out in nature. So come along. It's going to be a fun day. Something tells me that during the rainy season, this would be a very treacherous trail. But we're coming up on our first. That can't be the Virgin River. I don't think it is. We just stopped at a really interesting area, but you can't see it with this camera. I did take a picture of it. I'll eventually post it to Instagram. The rocks were kind of, looked like a lava flow had grabbed them. The definition was unbelievable, but I had to literally crawl under the rock just to get the picture. Ooh, here's a nice shot for you guys. Coming up right about. Check it out. I think we're going up to that. I don't think we're going that far, but we do go up to the, well, I don't want to ruin it. We'll save it for the end of the video. All right, guys, let's keep on walking. It's hot, and I'm sweaty, but it feels so good to be away from that dusty farmyard. Don't get me wrong, I'm grateful for the spot to be able to do what I had to do, but after a while, and even Heather would have told you this, after a while, that kind of work will kill you, it will drain you. You guys feeling small yet? I love this. Much like life, we're always faced with a fork in the road or a river, and we're guided by the Lord's beauty and the Lord's wisdom to do what is right. And I'm not preaching with you guys here, I'm just giving this analogy of the fork. Many times in our life we're called to make decisions. We don't know where they're going to be, so. Now, here's when we put on the elevation gain as we go up through the shaded canyon to the arch, to the top. Actually in the river now. There's no other trail but the river. So it's interesting because we were walking in the river earlier and now the path gives you no other choice but to stay by the river. Well, technically we just left the river, but we're going along the river to the it's got to be pretty close to here. Pretty close. I doubt you guys are going to be able to see this, but the canyons are red. Not from the sunlight because the sun's on that side. It's something else. They're red. They're like a bright red color. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I think we're getting closer to the end of the trail. Not imagining things. It really is. Oh, wow. Oh. Oh. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow. I think we're almost here. Oh, wow. Here it is. Double Arch Cove. We're gonna sit here for a few minutes and then we're gonna head back to that place that looked like it could be a swimming pool. So I want to thank you guys all for joining me on this episode of Tiny Wonderland. It was good to get outside and get some fresh air without having to have a drill in our hand, I guess. All right, well, I'll see you guys next time. Take care. If you're still here, we are in the behind the scenes of this beautiful place. We're going to try to go up to the second arch. We're following a trail. I'll let you know what we find. It doesn't look like it's a sanctioned trail, so we're going to have to figure it out on our own. But I believe it does go up to the second alcove. Alright, we're going to see if we can do it without getting lost. If you're still here, we are in the behind the scenes of this beautiful place. We're going to try to go up to the second arch. We're following a trail. I'll let you know what we find. It doesn't look like it's a sanctioned trail, so we're going to have to figure it out on our own. But I believe it does go up to the second alcove. Alright, we're going to see if we can do it without getting lost. I'm not seeing any way to get on top of the canyons, guys. At least not a safe way, but let's continue walking though, see where we go. Oh, what's around this corner? Okay, this definitely ends the Tiny Wonderland episode of the Kolob Canyon Taylor Creek Wilderness Trail. I hope you guys had a great time. I know I did. It was great to get out and relax. Thanks for staying along for the behind the scenes. I'll see you guys next time. Bye now. Oh.